Hey Jarvis, how are you?
I'm doing quite well, thank you. How about you?
Hey Jarvis, what can you do?
I can help with tasks like managing files, automating browser actions, sending messages, checking emails, and handling development workflows. If there's something specific you need, just let me know.
Open Chrome and search Python.
I've opened Chrome and searched for Python for you. You should see the results in your browser now. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Okay, close Chrome.
I've closed Google Chrome for you. If there's anything else you need, feel free to ask.
Please open my Bluetooth settings.
I've opened your Bluetooth settings. You should see them on your screen now. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.